In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page size legal in Excel. If you've ever needed to print a spreadsheet on legal paper, this will make sure your document fits the 8.5 by 14-inch format cleanly and predictably. Legal is longer than the standard letter size, and switching to it can help prevent awkward page breaks and give you more vertical room for rows. With your worksheet open, look toward the top of Excel for the ribbon. Click the Page Layout tab. This area controls how your sheet will look when printed, including margins, orientation, scaling, and paper size. It's the best place to set up your document before you share or print it. Next, find the Size option in the Page Setup group and click it. A menu will drop down with common paper sizes available on your system. This list can vary slightly depending on your region and your installed printers, but most setups include letter, A4, and legal, among others. From that list, choose legal. You'll see it labeled as 8.5 x 14 in most versions of Excel. As soon as you select it, Excel updates the page settings for the active worksheet. If you have page breaks visible, you may notice the dotted lines shift to reflect the taller page. Your data won't change, but the printable area adjusts so what you see in Print Preview matches what will come out on legal paper. If your content now spills across more pages than you'd like, take a moment to tidy things up. Narrow a few columns, reduce the default margins, or apply a gentle scaling option like Fit all columns on one page. Landscape orientation can also help if your sheet is wider than it is tall, while Portrait works well for most lists and ledgers. These small tweaks keep your data readable without shrinking the font too much. If you don't see legal in the list, it typically means your default printer or driver doesn't advertise that paper size. Switching to a printer that supports legal, updating your driver, or defining a custom paper size in your system settings usually resolves it. Before you print, open Print Preview to confirm everything looks right on legal paper. Check the page count, the margins, and any headers or footers you use. That's all there is to it. Open Page Layout, click Size, and pick Legal. Set it once per worksheet, and you're ready to print clean professional spreadsheets on legal paper every time.